Take a cup of masoor dal or tur dal, wash it a couple of times and soak it for at least 30 minutes. Take radishes and slice them. In a pressure cooker, add 1 teaspoon of olive oil over medium heat and saute for 3 minutes or until it slightly changes color. Sprinkle on some salt. In the same pressure cooker, add 2 teaspoons of olive oil, 1 sliced onion at the bottom, soaked lentils with water, 1 chopped tomato, sauteed radish, bell pepper, this is optional, 6 to 7 cloves of garlic, salt, turmeric powder, coriander powder, chili powder, sambar powder, and water. Cover and cook on high until the pressure comes on. When the pressure comes, lock the pressure and cook on high for 3 minutes and turn the heat off. After 5 minutes, release the pressure and open the lid. Let all the ingredients get well incorporated. For tempering, add oil in a pan over high heat. Since this is vegan, I am using olive oil, but you may use ghee if you like the extra flavor. All you need is mustard seeds, urad dal, cumin seeds, fenugreek seeds, asafoetida, and curry leaves. Once it's hot, add mustard seeds and wait till they split and followed by the other ingredients. And immediately add them into the sambar. The whole cooking process takes less than 10 minutes. Finally, garnish with some chopped cilantro and mix it well. This sambar goes well with plain rice, idli, dosa, upma, pongal, and even for chapatis. Try it today and let me know what you think.